Brother Charles, I can't find a marriage counselor that will work with you guys. So it's my responsibility to speak with you both until I can appoint one.
What about that nice Indian lady that was talking to us before?
You mean the one where you flirt with?
Lies from the pit of hell.
Charles! Oh, you're so wicked!
Sister Nicey, Brother Charles, just please calm down.
Tell her that with her loud mouth.
Mrs. Ramdal says she won't be available to do any more sessions with the both of you.
Thank you, Jesus. God is good to me.
Him not good to me because he's still in my life.
What you say, Charles? Don't talk under your breath.
Sister Nicey, you want me to speak to you guys both or you like me to leave?
No. Please, Pastor. Please stay. Please, Pastor, stay.
It's very obvious that you guys have some serious issues dealing with. Look, if we're going to resolve this, we have to talk about it. But not only talk, also listen. Understood?
Yes, Pastor.
Yes, Pastor.
Good. I like that. Sister Nicey, let's start with you. What are some of the problems that you're having with Charles?
Pastor, Charles swear think him a worldlian. And him think him a gallus, but him a galawas.
That is not true. From I coming to church, I give up my gallus ways. I used to sting like wasp.
Brother Charles, allow her to finish speaking.
You think I don't see you look at Sister Paulette when she's singing on the choir? And now you look at the marriage counselor in her the miniskirt? That's why I tell Pastor to get a male marriage counselor next time.
Well, the issue now is that no counselor wants to work with you guys. But wait a minute. Sister Nicey, let me ask you a question. Did you send Mrs. Ramdal a face message about 2 weeks ago?
I didn't send her a face message. Me just tell her say, if me did look like her, me would wear skirt with my knee them not like when Jesus stepped on the cross.
You hear them, all them damn foolish step?
Charles!
Pastor, it's so my time to talk.
Yes, Brother Charles. Hold on. Any other issues, Sister Nicey?
Yes, one more. Him not,
What?
well, Pastor Charles not pleasing me like one time.
Please, you? What do you mean?
Yes, nicely. Please, yo.
You know what I'm talking about.
No, I don't know. I want you to tell me.
You're not standing at attention, Charles.
After me the soldier, sir. When me stand at attention for?
You want me to spell it out?
Spell it, draw it, do anything at all you want to do. Because I'm curious.